Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Greetings of your day. Good morning everyone, honorable teachers, respect friends, and all my fellow students. Today, I want to talk about something that affect every single one of us, even if we don't realize it. It's not about graded deadlines of achievements. It's about smoke. Yes, that cloud of gray that often float nearing the cafeteria, the parking lot, or sometimes even the restroom. No, I know some may say, hey, smoking is a personal choice, and you're right, it's a choice. Let's be honest. Our campus should be a place for learning, growing, and breathing, not changing. Cigarette smoke does just stay in one place. It spreads, it lingers, and it turns clean air into a toxic mixture that affects smokers and non-smokers alike. Think about it. We come here to expand our mind, not to shrink our lungs. We even in a box, not in box of cigarettes. We catch dreams, no smoke. And don't forget, smoke does only harm health. It's also harm our environment. Cigarette butt are the most common type of litter in the world. To say our campus with us and politician, we truly need is a clean, green, and spring every moment to study in. Image walking through a campus where the air smells like rain and trash, not like burnt tobacco. Please, where our lungs can breathe as freely as our ideas. That's the king of campus I want to be part of, and believe many of you feel tempted. So my opinion is clean. Smoking should not be allowed in campus area. Let's make that campus a smoking-free zone. Not to punish anyone, but to protect everyone. Because at the end of the day, education is about creating a better future, and better future starts with a single health breath. Thank you. And I will explain the present tense. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb form used to express habits, general fact, permanent situation, and basic schedule. This tense is very common and usually used the base form of the verb 1 or at the ending is or is for the third person singular pronoun or he or she or it. Formal definition of tension. Tension in English used to express habit, routine, test, general truth, and teaching fact. Main use experiencing habits, describing a repetitive or routine action. Example, I usually take two bus to work. Expressing a thought of or general truth, describing something that is always true and using. Example, the third orbit the sun. Expressing a fate schedule, describing a schedule's event. Example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. Expressing interaction or comments, showing the step in interaction. Example, cut the lemon in half. When to ask, man ask of the simple present tense. Habit or recurring event to talk about something that is done regularly, such as a daily routine. Example, she wakes up early every morning. General truth, to state a fact that is always true and changing. Example, the sun rises in the earth. Permanent situation, to describe the state or situation that is changing or fixed. Example, I work in London. Fiction schedule, to express a deficit event or schedule in the future. Example, your exam start at 4 a.m. Habits and routines. How to use the simple present tense for habits and routines. Positive sentence. Use the subject, the base verb or as or is for singular subject like he, she, it. Example, I go to school every day. Example, he goes to school every day. Negative sentence. Use the subjects do not the base verb. Example, I do not wake up late. Example, she does not wake up late. Interrogative sentence. Use is the subject the base verb. Example, do you go to the gym on Mondays? Example, do you see go to the gym on Mondays? General truth and fact. Fact and general truth definition General truth is a statement that is universally accepted as fact and holds true at all times. Example, the earth orbits the sun. Human need oxygen to live. Or use of the simple present tense. Besides general truths, the simple present tense is also used for habit or routine task activities that are done repeatedly. Example, I drink coffee every morning. Permanent situation or condition that do not change. Example, she lives in Jakarta. Visit schedules, plan or schedules that are fixed in the future. Example, the train leaves at 7 a.m. Intrusive or destination. Example, the step or a procedure. First was your hand. Schedule event or future meaning. Transportation. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Event. The meeting start at 4 a.m. Regular schedule. My class start at 4:30 a.m. tomorrow. Schedule event. The festival begins next week. Immutable fact. Christmas fell on a Sunday is the year. Instruction or narration. Use the base verb. Use the base form of the verb with preposition. Example, open the pocket. Add the subject you for more complete interaction. If you want to be more specific. And you before the verb. This is opinion indirect instruction. Example, you take to know 6 bus. List the step in sketch. Provide step-by-step instruction on the temple the process. Example, open the pocket, pour the contents into hot water, stir the noodle. Don't ask do or do. In the interaction form, the sentence do need do or do because it's not negative or interrogative sentence. Add an verb or subject. Provide animation information such as a place or objects to clarity the interaction. Sample, go to supermarket, turn left the traffic light. Form or of simple present. Formula, subject, or such as I, you, or they, or we, or he, or she, or it. Verb 1, basic form for subjects I, or you, or they, or we, and the ending she or is for subjects he, or she, or it. Plus object. Example sentence, I play football every Sunday, or I play football every Sunday. She plays football every Sunday, or he plays football every Sunday. They go to school by bus. For negative. Example station, subject do or not or verb 1. I do not like coffee. They do not go to school on day. Subject does not verb. He does not work in a bank. She does not bring an umbrella. Sample with contraction. She does live here. She don't know where to go. Form interrogative. Formula explanation. Do or this a helping verb present at the beginning of the station subject. Subject of the sentence the actor. Verb 1. The base verb first form. E question mark that must be present at the end of sentence. Explanation sentence. Do you like pizza? Do you play soccer? Do you see work here? Subject first agreement. Main rules. The main rules for subject first agreements in the simple present tense are as follows. Singular subject. Use the singular form of the verb, usually adding the ending is or s to the base verb or verb 1. Plural subject. Use the base form of the verb with un endings. Subject tunggal. My father goes to the Moscow every day. Robin read a letter. Subject jamak or khusus. I drink milk every morning. The person always agree with the teacher. To be or I am or is or are. Penggunaan I am, is, dan are. I am used with single subject. Example, I am a student. Is used with 3-person singular subject or he or she or it. Example, she is red. Example, the car is red. Are used with plural subject or we or you or they or single subject you. Example, they are happy or they are happy. Example, you are a teacher or you are a teacher. To say formula positive tension. Subject to be complained. Example, he is a doctor. Negative tension mean subject or to be or not complain. Example, he is not a doctor. Interrogative tension to be subject complain. Example, is he a doctor? Example or affirmative negative interrogative 1. Subject I or you or we or T. Positive. They play football in the afternoon. Negative. They do not play football in the afternoon. Question. Do they play football in the afternoon? 2. Subject he or she or it. Positive. He work as teacher. Negative. He does not work as a doctor. Question. Do he work as a teacher? Adverb of frequency. E before the main verb. This is the most common rule. Adverb of frequency are present this is before the main verb. In positive sentence, example: he always drink coffee in the morning. They usually go to the park weekends. He often forget in case. He after to be I am or is or are. If the verb in the sentence is to be I am or is or are, the effort of frequency is played after to be. Example: I am always late for class. He is usually happy on Friday. That are some noise. See after auxiliary verb in interrogative sentence, negative sentence or sentence that use auxiliary verb do or does. Adverb or frequency are placed after the auxiliary verb. Example: do you often visit your grandparents? She do not usually watch TV. I do not often go swimming. Single word. 1. Count single word. Always, usually, often, sometimes, solo, rarely, never, every day, every week, every month, every year, one Mondays, one Tuesday. 2. Other single word. Nowadays, at present, at the moment, in the morning, or in the afternoon, on, or in the evening, at night, look, listen. Common mistake in the simple present tense include forgetting to add she or is to third person singular subject verb, or he or she or it in present usage of do or does in negative and interrogative senses. 1. Forgetting to add the ending she or is. Example of mistake: he went to school. Correct example: he goes to school. 2. Misuse of do and does. Example of error: will she go to school? Correct example: will she go to school? 3. Visit simple present for ongoing event. Inaccurate example: I watch TV now. Correct example: I am watching TV now. Practice sentence. Question: she dedicated to the market every Sunday. Sun in the east. I dedicated coffee every morning. They dedicated don't like spicy food. And this he dedicated a car and swear. She goes to the market every Sunday. This is the sun in the east. I drink coffee every morning. They don't like spicy food. Drive a car. Summary: the key point in the simple present are matching in the verb to the subject at she or is for he or she or it, and the direct use of do or use for negative and interrogative sentence. Furthermore, the simple present tense is for habits, general tools, and place. First adjustment: positive tension. For the subjects 1, you, I, or you, or we, and they use the base form of the verb. For the subjects he or she or and it, add she or is to the verb. Negative and interrogative sense. You say the auxiliary verb do. For the subjects I, for you, for we, and they. You set the auxiliary verb this for the subjects he or she or it. After do or this, you set verb I with you the ending she or is. Thank you.